Hello everyone, this is midday on February 6, 2010, the huge blizzard. Here's my wonderful wife Kim.
It's after how many hours have you been shoveling?
We've been shoveling all day, and so far this is what we have. These are our water bottles, okay? This is how much snow is just sitting on the water bottles. So, here's our wall of snow, and it's bigger than Kim, as you can see. Goes all the way over here and all the way on the other side. That's our wall of snow. We've gotten almost the top of the driveway semi-done where we could get out of here, but as you can plainly see, we have a lot more to go. Let's just show you what the rest of our driveway looks like. So we've got all this shoveled, but then you get to right here. As you can plainly see, we've got to get all the way down there. Goodbye, everybody. We're never going to see you again. All that we still have to shovel. There's my wonderful wife, Kim, with a positive attitude. Hi, positive attitude, Kim. Say hi to the camera.